Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with another video with my NX250. It's been a while that we haven't talked about motorcycles, right? Today I'm here with another video about motorcycles, but it's not specifically about my NX250. It can apply to all the other motorcycles, all the other motorcycles out there. Wasn't using. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. That was nice. Nice catch. So what you're seeing here is a camera backpack. It's just like a generic camera backpack, just like any other backpacks. But today we're not gonna talk about backpacks, right? So the thing is, for the past week, I was searching on Amazon, on all the other like motorcycle gear shops, online shops, for some sort of luggage for my motorcycle, right? So I wanted something to be able to mount it, to be secure. And I mean, it didn't matter to me if, I didn't know if I want like a pannier, if I want a saddle bag, if I want a tail bag, or like a tank bag. But no matter what you're looking for, to get a decent luggage, I had to pay like over like $100, $150. So I like right at the same time, this idea came to my mind that how I can mount my backpack to my motorcycle in a way that I can remove it anytime that I want to, but I didn't want to spend like that much money on my motorcycle for a luggage. So I realized to experiment this and see how it works. So today I'm going to try mounting and tying this backpack to my motorcycle. So this is a large backpack, right? So I cannot mount it here on the gas tank. It's large. So, and I cannot mount it in the sides, right, as a saddlebag, but I can definitely mount it on top, like on my bike rack, which we can call it a tail bag, obviously. So I was wondering if I want to install it like this way, right, or the other way. So I realized I took some pictures before this video to see like which way is better looking and is more practical. So I decided to install it like this way instead of this way. Right, this way. So I ordered a couple tiny parts from Amazon, which I'm gonna show you right now. So here are some of the stuffs that I ordered. This is like a collection of bungee cords. I paid, I believe, like $13 over the Amazon. It has about like 25 pieces, like different sizes, different lengths. So this is one. Where should I put this? This is one, right? And then I had one of these nets, like cargo nets, which is exactly the same as this guy here, to secure the backpack on top. So this is I believe it's a 15-inch by 15-inch, which has like 3 hooks on each side. So the other piece is actually this guy, which is a super simple tie down ropes. So tie down straps, which you just open this side and then add this and start just making it like more strength. Right? So yeah, that's about it. These are all the parts that I'm going to try to mount the backpack. So starting with this guy, this strap, the reason that I thought about this is actually my backpack has that's actually a good thing. My backpack, I was lucky because I realized my backpack has an area here that you can actually, as you can see right here, you can pass the cross this strap inside this area and then tie it to the frame. So for now, I'm going to remove the seat. I'm going to remove the seat, and I'm going to show you a close-up view of how I'm going to pass this strap and how I'm going to tie it to the backpack. So take off the seat. All right. so I am going to pass, this is the strap, right? The tie down strap. So I'm going to pass the strap right from here. Doesn't have a very good access, but it's doable. So I'm passing it right under the frame, but I'm not gonna move it over the electric sockets, because when I want to tie this thing down, there is gonna be pressure on these sockets. So I'm gonna pass it from under these. And then same thing from the other side, just like this, right? As you can see, if I push this up, there is not gonna be any pressure on the electric wires. So this is this. So I think it gives you an idea about what am I about to do. So I'm gonna leave this right here, and I am going to put back the seat, just like this. Okay, the seat is on, and as you can see, these are the tie downs, right? So as you all can see, I have the strap right here. What am I gonna do is I need to make all the backpack straps tied together as much as possible, so they're not in the way of passing the strap. So yep, this is good. Now I am going to pass this from this area, as you can see here. But the thing is, I mean, the backpacks you might not have a backpack with this slot, with this area. But if you have like an old backpack or a cheap backpack that you don't need it, you can easily put cut it from here and create actually two areas to cross this strap. So it's not a blocker if you don't have that area. So I'm gonna pass it from here. As you can see, this is the strap coming out of the backpack, and this is the other side of the strap, which I'm going to tie this and pass this through here. So I don't want to scratch or just hurt the seat, because I have to wait for a while to see if it affects the seat. If it affects, I probably need to put some sort of cushion under the strap. But if not, I think this is good, right? This is good right now. I have to cut the extras here and take care of these extras, because I don't want them to get in the way of wheels, chains, and all that stuff. That's really important. And then right now I need to secure the rear end or the top end of the backpack. And as you can see, this is tight. I mean, it plays, it wiggles a little bit, but if I secure the other end, like this area, now I'm going to secure this area, as well as the handle to the rack, just like this. So that way it's not gonna move. So all right, so that the lower end is done, but for the top end, I was thinking to use another strap just like this, but then I realized, because there are, like, I would say 3 points, like the backpack strap, 2 of the straps, as well as the handle. Because there are like 3 points, I realized that's easier to use a simple bungee cord to pass along all the areas and then tie it to the rack. That way I'll make sure all the points are connected together and everything is tied securely. So one goes this way. Alright, this is done. It was pretty simple. I might secure it with one more bungee cord, but for now I believe it's good. The both ends are secured right now. It wiggles, but it's not gonna fall. I am pretty confident that it's not gonna fall, even though I'm gonna try to make it a little bit more secure. And to prevent the wiggle, first I'm gonna ride the bike for a couple minutes to see how it feels, especially on the corners. But to make sure that it's not gonna fall or it's not gonna wiggle, I have another one of these cargo nets which I'm gonna throw over this and make sure it's secured like 100%. The good thing is, actually, I think, yeah, this backpack has a all-weather cover. I didn't know that. Wow, this is awesome. Woo, I like it. Cool. You know, we're living in Seattle, right? It sucks for a rider. So yeah, let's try this. Let's see how it looks. I have actually ordered a black one, so I know this is yellow, and having another yellow here is just a little bit cheesy, cheddar, but where we can attach these, obviously one to the rear rack, and oh, look at this. I haven't even attached this guy, but it's like super secured, no wiggle. at this. I think it worked perfect. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this video. It's a simple tip, but I know a lot of you guys are looking for luggage, and not all of the luggage out there, like motorcycle specific luggage, are worth spending like hundreds of dollars. So I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please share this video with other people, other motorcycle riders, and hope it helps everyone. Thanks again, stay tuned, enjoy.